Mom is sad. I'm very sad. You're just so sad. I'm very sad. It's not fair. I just want to cry. But why was he hitting me? Why didn't you tell him not to hit me? He was just hitting me and it hurt. It hurt me very much. Now I'm bleeding. Yeah. But didn't I hurt you too? What? It's not fair. I'm just gonna cry all the time now. It's not my fault. I didn't do nothing. I'm not happy. Tell him. Yeah, I know, but what's his problem?
Can I make you a drink? Can I make you a coffee or
Why?
tea?
I don't understand.
Coffee or tea?